Welcome back, guys, to another Vlogmas video with Kayla again.
You're seeing me a lot this Vlogmas season, you guys.
I mean, let's just face it, you're in like half of my videos anyways.
It's okay.
But anyways, today we are making cookies. And,
if you couldn't tell
oh yeah,
from our sweatshirts,
Y'all
we are
like
the
'em?
cookie baking crew. So we're here making a bunch of Christmas cookies
yes.
today.
And if you like these, I will leave the link below to get them. They're from Etsy. And they're very comfortable. And
I
soft.
saw them and I thought it'd be perfect for us to have matching sweatshirts.
And it comes
for
in red
Vlogmas.
and green.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you're interested. Link
So
is
I'm
below.
modeling the red and she's modeling the green. So whichever one you like.
Yeah, so as you can see, yes, we are making cookies today. If you want something a little bit more in-depth or whatever,
And
go to her channel because she made hers homemade. We're making it the easy way because...
You know, we decided to give you two different options, okay? Because not everybody wants to make a homemade cookie.
Yeah, if you want homemade,
So.
go to her. If you want the easy, lazy way.
Okay.
So we're doing sugar cookies and then we're going to decorate them, so...
That's the fun part, though, is
Yeah,
decorating.
the ingredients that you're going to need. Cookie mix. An egg. And butter.
Super
Pretty
easy,
easy.
you guys. So, yeah.
Let's get going.
All right, let's mix it up.
Time to mix.
Can we just say this is her first time using a hand mixer?
Yeah. I'm a little nervous. If I make a mess. I mean, we're in Kayla's kitchen, so I'm just joking.
Oh boy. I mean...
Okay. Oh, it's hot. All right. What do I do?
Press the on button.
Do I stick it in first?
Yes.
Okay. Am I doing it right?
Yep.
Ah. Oh. I can't get this whole side over here.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna let Kayla
All right.
take over.
I'm gonna take over because she don't know how to use a mixer.
I really don't.
Okay.
Good job, Kayla.
Yay!
She's a pro mixer.
All right. Yeah, because it tastes right. Yeah, it seems like everything's mixed.
Yeah. There we go.
All right.
On to the next step.
All right, what's the next step?
Roll it out. Cut them out. Cookie cutters.
Yeah. I do have actually a roller too.
We gotta sprinkle the table with flour. Roll them out. I think it said like, what did it say?
We're gonna roll it up, roll it up.
Flour the table.
The last time I tried to make sugar cookies, it was a fucking epic fail. Sorry, I just swear it on your
I mean,
channel.
there's one day that I've done it. I once did it really well, and they were when I made penis cookies for my sister's bachelorette. They were the best sugar cookies I ever made.
Best penis cookies.
All right, guys. Wish us
All right.
luck.
This could be
I'll just do half for now.
the worst decision we've made, I think.
All right.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
I need to leave them kind of thick. We've got candy cane, star.
Ooh.
I just almost called this a pumpkin. A snowman. Bell.
Whoa! Whoopsies.
Whoopsie. Stocking. Tree. And snowflake.
All right.
What you want to use?
I want to do, well, let's see here. What can we could probably do the bell, this one, the stocking, and then this on all this one, right? All right.
Let's do it.
You do it, girl.
Do you want to bring the
Yep.
cookie tray over here and then we can just set it right on there?
Cookie tray. See, this is where I mess up.
fit a snowman right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe a snowflake.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, you're good.
All right. Pick up the extra chunks. Said that we were bakers.
I definitely do not claim to be a baker.
As long as they taste good, that's all that matters.
It's just a fun, thing to do.
If you want to know how to make real cookies, like good real cookies, then this is not the channel to watch. We have baked our cookies, which I don't think you can see, but we have them here.
They actually turned out pretty well. Yeah. So,
We've got
believe it or not,
candy cane, snowman,
Christmas tree,
a star,
a snowflake,
and a bell.
I thought for sure this one would not come out.
Oh,
I thought it was going to be
yeah.
a big blob, but they actually came out pretty well.
Yeah.
So,
We're going to each decorate one of each of these. And then at the end, you can tell us who did a better job.
ooh, competition.
We'll show you them all when we're done, and then you can tell us which you like best.
All right.
Alright guys, so we are finished decorating our cookies, which we'll show you in just a second. I just wanted to tell you thank you for watching. Make sure you go over to Kayla's channel. She also made some cookies that were actually homemade. So go watch what she made. They're very good.
Abby.
And make sure you comment down below who made the better cookies or who made the better decorations.
Yes.
So we'll show you them now.
All right. Which one should we show first?
Let's do our stars.
Our stars? Ours are very kind of similar,
Yeah.
but slightly different.
Snowflake?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just broke mine. No!
Oh, man, that sucks.
Oh no!
All right, well, ours is broken.
I just broke mine,
Mine is
but
not.
you get the idea.
Mine is simple.
Dang it!
Oh, man, that sucks.
I'll show you a better shot in a second. Snowman.
Oh, no, mine broke. Mine broke. Mine broke. Snowman.
Tree.
Tree. Oh my God, I'm getting sprinkles everywhere.
Candy cane.
All right, candy cane. Candy cane. So let us know who had the better cookies. I don't know. I think they're both nice.
Yeah, we did good.
Yeah.
Except for my snowflake breaking. That sucks.
My snowman broke too, so it's
So
okay.
we both had a breakage.
But yeah, fun stuff.
So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Bye, guys.
All the way in.
Yes.
Oh my
Oh wait,
goodness.
stop. The battery's gonna die. Hold on, stop.
I'm just worried that when I hit on, it's just all gonna fly up in my face.
No, you're good. If it does, it does.
I'm making such a mess.
Was that yummy mojo?
Oh shit! I just broke it. Ah.
See, I told.
All
All right, well,
just the tip.